Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how to change the shifter in an A80 Supra. The stock shifter is pretty good, yes, for a stock car, but if you want to get a better feeling in it or something change for quicker shifting or yeah, something like that, we can change that to a short shifter. And the good thing is not to a cheap one like this one. It's crap as hell, and yeah, and I don't want to pay over 1000k for an C's short shifter. And by the way, it looks like this, and no, I'm talking about something like this, like the ERP shifter, and you can get them for an R154 and the W58 transmission, but not for an V160 or V161. So, and I will show you how to change the shifter in an V160. It's very easy. So first step is you need to remove the knob, then just turning in out like this, and then you can remove it, put it here. Then you need to open this little thing here, and this covers only clips, so you can't damage anything if you be gentle with the plastic because it's old. And then you have there a little plug that needs to be unplugged for sure, and then you can lay it on the side. Then you have this thing and parts here. I already removed some kind of bolts, and these 4 bolts need to be removed as well. Then you can take this little piece away. You have there some clips, belongs to a right-hand drive car or left-hand drive car. You have on this side a little clip inside or in this side. So, but then you can remove it like this, and you have 2 pieces. One is the metal thing like this, and the rubber thing like this. Also another rubber thing is here. This can also be pulled up. So like this. And then as you can see, we have the normal shifter in here. That's normally where the C's shifter or Autobahn 88 shifter goes in. But yeah, I'm not a friend of this shifter. So then you need to remove also these 4 bolts in here, what keeps the shifter in, the tripod or shifter holder. That thing have to be removed as well. It's very simple. You don't need to uninstall the transmission or something crazy like that. It's very easy. After the 4 bolts are removed, we need to go under the car. Okay, so under the car you see this. So need to remove this little cover here. Then you can see the bolt that holds in the shifter. It's a bolt here and a nut from the other side. So. As you can see, you can remove it easily. So. And after you remove the bolt, you can push the shifter up like this, and then you can take it from the inside of the car out. So, as you can see, you can take the shifter out. So next step is a little bit tricky. So, because you need to remove the tripod or the OEM shifter holder. That means that thing here. I already removed the plugs and the screws. So there are three of them. One is up there. Another one is here on the side. Try to show. This one, and the same on the other side, like there. So to take these screws out, you need to remove the transmission holder. That one here is not that bad. Unscrew these 4 bolts and these four bolts, and then take a car check under here and slow it down slowly. After it won't go more down, you need something you can pull it more down. Then you can remove the screw on the top, because it's a long screw and you need the space. After you removed the bolt, you can take it out. Very simple. Just pull it and then you can turn it down and voila. So, and mostly that's it. If you look now here, we have there our hole for the shifter and enough space. So now the only thing what you need to do is we need something where we can bolt on the shifter. So I made this kind of piece. So it's only a prototype, so that's why there are different holes and it looks like this, like its look. And yeah, but you can use the original part from the car. So that is that one. You can take this as a cover or something like that you can create your own, like I did. If I put it in here, so I have the factory holes, so that no other holes need to be drilled or as it need to be cutted or something like that. I always try to do it a way that I don't have to cut or drill in the shell of my car. One other thing is I don't want to rub the metal to the metal, so I take something like this. It's a normal foam, so we need to cut there some pieces and then it's sealed and safe, and yeah, the metal don't rub together. The next step is to put here a hole in it for the shifter itself. And yeah, I don't want to cut only a hole in it. Only that there is no glue on the other side. I make it this side. Also need to put the holes in here. So that we can connect our shifter with the transmission is that we need these parts new, because the original ones belongs to BMW, and we have my colleague, that's him, Exa-Performance. He is 3D printing and had also many Supra stuff. When you want to check out his homepage, there are some things you can order by him, or if you want that he do new parts for you, you can contact him and ask him as well. And yeah, he did these parts for me so that we can connect our shifter with the V160 transmission. And only thing is we need to take out the ball bearings and put them in the other ones, and that's it. So, and that's it. Both sides, and then we do the same, that we put it in here. And when you finish, it should look like this. And yeah, that has to be installed down here in the short shifter. And yeah, let's go on. So tighten this screw, and yeah, it's too small, I guess. Need to use. So yeah, now it can be fall off, and yeah, nice. So then we have our self-made blade, and yeah, now install it here. So we need those four here. So now the shifter is installed on our plate, and now our plate needs to be installed on the car. So we have our shifter and plate here, then we slide it in, put it in here, and then we just only need to fix it with the normal screws. Yeah. So then we take this little clip here back in his position, so that one here. So like this, so everything is fine. Then we have a normal cover that belongs here. So first we connect this again. So, and then like this. Then we do this together, so like this. And now we need to do the last step. That's from under the car. Connect the transmission with the short shifter. So that means the shifter to this one. I hope it will work for the camera. After everything is tight again, just do the rubber over it. That is a little bit protected from the weather. And then that's it from under the car, and the shifter is installed. So let's have a look. So as you can see, neutral, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. Maybe you need to adjust the shifter by the small screw that's in here, so that you can put the right length for back and left. Otherwise you can turn it very much, and yeah, but that's everything. Now we have installed an ERP shifter, and yeah, beautiful.